Before the boot camp, I was a kindergarten teacher and elementary teacher.
I've been working for 6 years in digital marketing and advertising.
And before that I studied communication and multimedia design.
I decided to switch career. I was a bit lost about what I wanted to do next.
I was working first as a concert pianist, and then I started to become an entrepreneur. I started my own teaching practice and then my own piano school.
So I dipped my feet in the water with HTML and CSS, and I tried coding by myself for a while, but I needed some guidance, and that's why I joined the bootcamp.
What really stuck out about Wagon was that you can come as a total beginner.
First of all, invest in yourself. It's the best thing you could ever do.
I think it's very important to keep challenging yourself all the time.
So you get that kind of startup, innovative, exciting environment right from the get-go.
It was hard for me coming from a completely different background. I had to build a different mindset on how to deal with problems, and actually learn that failing it's okay. And that was a bit hard for me, but I'm really happy with the results now and knowing that I'm able to do anything I want.
You feel you are joining a family. We are all in the same trouble, in the same.
In the bootcamp, I really learned how to solve problems.
I have to travel the whole journey towards the end, not knowing how it's gonna be, but we just know that day one is gonna be fun and quite intense.
10 hours a day, putting my brain to work towards solving the problem more than just learning languages.
Like your brain hurts at the end of every day, but like in a really nice way.
In the beginning, I didn't believe completely in myself. I was always feeling like I was an imposter, but towards the bootcamp, throughout the bootcamp, I realized I could do way more than I expected, and I had the support of the teachers 100%, and they always believed me, so that helped me believe in myself as well.
For the final project, we actually pivoted to an idea that I really wanted to do that I thought was more commercially viable, which was creating a platform for music teachers to manage their own teaching practices. And so that's how Studiate was born. The actual first version or MVP of Studiate was created during Wagon.
Right after the bootcamp I started TAing, then I started teaching, then I started my own company.
And straight after demo day on Friday, next Tuesday I've onboarded my technical partner, François, to kick off on our first project together.
All I've been doing is kind of assembling a set of skills that allows me to start projects on my own.
So for me, the bootcamp it took things I already knew and filled in the gaps with things I didn't know, and gave me all the skills that I needed to actually be able to be a fully fledged web developer.
It's a life-changing experience.
If you have any interest in being a developer of any kind, obviously a very good, good reason to do the bootcamp.
The skills you learn, the mindset that's taught, is always valuable.
I met a lot of people that had no interest in becoming actual developers, but in their roles, you know, in their current positions, had to deal with developers, whether it was as a project manager or a consultant or some sort of go-between. And so, like, they were there to be able to know just enough code and just enough technical stuff to be able to really like do their job better.
So if you are someone that is interested in coding, but you come from a very different background and you don't believe you can make it, don't let people tell you you cannot do it, because you can.
Everyone can do it, as long as you're committed.